In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Gmail account in Brave. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to use your inbox, all within the Brave browser. This walkthrough keeps things simple and clear with helpful tips along the way so you can follow in real time without any confusion. Start by opening the Brave browser on your device. You'll know it by the lion icon. Make sure the window is active and fully loaded. If you haven't used Brave recently, that's fine. Nothing special needs to be changed for Gmail. Brave's privacy features work smoothly here, so you can sign in just like you would on any other browser. Next, go to Google's homepage. Click into the address bar at the top of the window, type google.com, and press enter. Brave uses a combined address and search bar, so this will either take you straight to the site or show results where you can choose the official Google link. Once the page loads, glance at the address bar to confirm you're on google.com before proceeding. On the Google homepage, look to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. This opens the secure Google sign-in page. Again, a quick glance at the web address is a good habit to confirm you're on an official Google page before entering any details. In the email field, type your Gmail account address. This is the full email address you use for Gmail. Take a second to double check for extra spaces, missing letters, or the wrong domain. Accuracy here prevents sign-in errors and saves time. When you're confident it's correct, click Next. If the page reloads or prompts you again, just stay patient and let it finish loading. Now type your Gmail password in the password field. Make sure caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is what you expect. If you copy and paste, be careful not to include extra spaces. Keep your password private and never enter it on any page that doesn't clearly show Google's official address. When you're ready, click Next. That's it. You've logged into your Gmail account in Brave. You should see your Google account recognized and your Gmail is now available to use in this browser. If something didn't work, it's usually due to a small typo in the email or password, a lingering caps lock, or a temporary connection hiccup. Simply recheck your details and try again. Thanks for watching and enjoy your inbox in Brave.